System diagnostics complete.
We've integrated a seamless quick-release system here by the temple. This allows us direct access to the cooling ducts and sensor arrays for maintenance.
Thank you for attending our demonstration.
Wow, look at those arms. This is next-level tech. What is your primary function here at CES?
I am here to demonstrate the next generation of human-robot interaction.
Wow, nothing can beat this. What are you going to do with it, bud?
He's vibing with her. Arms up. Bro! Did that just happen?
Exactly, it's instantaneous. Dude, I'm totally taking her with me after this demo. As you can see, the tactile response and facial realism are quite advanced. This is the new tactile interface and cooling design of the 2025 model.
Konnichiwa. System ready, yeah?
Hey, careful where you press. Can I try?
No.
You can take the risk. And yes, her sensory system is now sensitive enough to react even to subtle touch like this. And even more than that, watch this.
Oh my god. That's incredible. Do you see what I see? I don't know if I can touch her.
Oh, your synthetic skin is so soft. Can I do it?
Of course.
Hot take. In 5 years, one of these replaces your daily assistant.
J16, come closer. Hey guys, say cheese!